Hey, it's Gorab here. Let me ask you something. Have you been grinding on YouTube, chasing views, subscribers, and still not making money? Or worse, you've tried making shorts, spent hours fiddling with AI tools, and nothing? No traffic, no commissions, just crickets. Well, what if I told you there is an embarrassingly easy AI YouTube shortcut you can use to generate a never-ending stream of daily affiliate commissions, even if you have 0 subscribers? Without showing your face, spending on ads, or even hitting 4,000 hours or 10 million views for YouTube Partner Program? Sounds wild? It is, and it works. One of the dumbest decisions in my life changed everything for good. More on it later. So, are you cranking out shorts after shorts, videos after videos using AI but still not getting enough views? You missed one crucial piece of the puzzle: the strategy. It doesn't matter how great your YouTube Shorts looks or how many keywords you stuff in, if you don't have a solid game plan to beat the algorithm, your videos will get lost in the sea of content. And even if you get some views don't pay your rent. Affiliate commissions do. You can get 100,000 views on a short and still make $0 if you're not monetizing the right way. Do you know 99% of people fail to make money with YouTube Shorts? And chances are, you're doing at least one of them right now without even realizing it. It's why you feel stuck, frustrated, maybe even ready to quit. One, you rely on YouTube's Partner Pennies program. YouTube wants you to hit 10 million views in 90 days just to earn a few bucks. Let's be real, you'll grind for months and get paid coffee money. That's not a real income plan. 2, you post random shorts without strategy. You keep throwing out videos without a hook, without structure, without knowing how the algorithm works. No strategy equals no views equals no chance to win. 3, you don't know how to sell and stay broke. You don't know what to promote, where to drop your affiliate link, or how to get people to click. Even if you get lucky, your video gets views, but your bank account stays empty. You've just been playing it wrong. There's a smarter, faster way to turn shorts into commissions starting today. Warning, once you see how this AI plus YouTube trick works, you'll wonder why you've wasted time on anything else. There's a smarter, faster way to win with shorts, and no one's telling you about it. It's not about chasing endless views, gaming the algorithm, or praying for subscribers. It's about using AI plus a proven strategy that quietly turns simple, faceless videos into daily commissions, even if you're starting from 0. I've spent months testing and cracking the code. So, are you ready to join the smart few making daily commissions from shorts while the rest stay confused and broke? Hey, my name is Gorab Bora. I am a marketer, product creator, and a certified shortcut hunter. I don't sell hype, I sell systems that work. I've been lucky enough to help 100,000 plus marketers worldwide launch over 100 products and generate over $10 million in revenue, which helped me build freedom, flexibility, and live life on my own terms. Now, I want you to do the same. They're the dumbest decisions that became my greatest advantage. A few years back, I built a YouTube channel from scratch, grinding for a full year, posted over 100 videos and shorts, grew it to 12,000 subscribers. But I got impatient. I didn't know what I was doing, so I quit, sold it off, walked away. 3 months later, boom, that same channel blew up. One short hit 149 million views, another 28 million, another 8 million. It skyrocketed to 294K plus subscribers without me, and I watched it from the sidelines. No control, no revenue, just regret. After that gut punch moment, I gave it one more go, but this time I was smarter. No random videos, no guessing. I added ClickBank affiliate links, followed the same short strategy, and commissions started rolling in. Tried it with a second channel, same result. Third one, boom again. Then I shared it with a few friends, same wins, same pattern. At that point it hit me, YouTube doesn't reward effort, it rewards strategy. I didn't need to be some YouTube celebrity with millions of subscribers. I didn't need perfect videos, daily uploads, or viral luck. What I really needed was the right combo. Viral style shorts that trigger the algorithm, affiliate offers that actually convert, and the perfect timing to stack results fast. Once I figured that out, it all clicked. No face cam, no burnout, no begging for views, just a rinse and repeat system that quietly turns shorts into daily commissions. When you combine AI tools, attention-grabbing hooks, and affiliate offers that actually convert, YouTube can't ignore you, the algorithm picks you, the views come in, and more importantly, so do the commissions. So I took the exact steps, scripts, and setup and turned it into something anyone can follow. 0 tech skills, 0 fame, 0 problem. I built this system for the underdogs, for the beginners who feel left behind, for the not-so-techie folks who hate complicated funnels and editing, for the creators who've posted 20 shorts and still made 0. It's not your fault. You've just been using the wrong blueprint. And why am I sharing this with you? Because I've been where you are, stuck, frustrated, and wondering if this stuff even works. I've figured it out the hard way so you don't have to. But with this shortcut, you'll have a clear roadmap to success. No more guesswork. This time, you're getting the fast track. So, you ready? Introducing Tube Bonanza. Embarrassingly easy AI YouTube shortcut unlocks a never-ending stream of affiliate sales even if you have 0 subscribers. Start from scratch and profit faster than 99% of YouTubers who grind for months. Skip the grind, steal the formula, get paid daily in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Lay the foundation like a pro. Choose the perfect niche plus high-ticket offers using our proven shortcuts. No experience? No problem. Step 2. Create low-effort, high-impact shorts using viral triggers, AI tools, and templates, all without showing your face or touching complicated editors. Step 3. Slide in your affiliate links using our plug and gay formula that turns views into clicks, clicks into cash, even while you sleep. That's it. You're locked, loaded, and ready with the only shortcut you'll ever need to crush it with YouTube Shorts and start stacking commissions. No endless brainstorming, no awkward filming, no grinding for followers. This isn't a bunch of recycled fluff or theory. It's 12 revenue-focused lessons that show you exactly how to launch, grow, and monetize a faceless YouTube Shorts channel, even if you're starting from absolute zero. So, what exactly makes Tube Bonanza the ultimate shortcut? Let's break it down. You can forget about funnels, websites, and tech headaches. This system works without any of that. Don't have subscribers? Doesn't matter. Shorts give you instant reach even if you're starting from absolute zero. Camera shy? Good, you'll be creating faceless, AI-powered videos that actually sell. No filming, no editing, no showing your face. And no, you won't need 10 million views or YouTube's broken partner program to get paid. We focus on affiliate commissions, the real money. It works in any niche: fitness, pets, crypto, motivation, you name it. Just plug in the strategy and go. Got only 1-2 hours a day? Perfect. This is built for busy people. Not creative? No problem. We give you copy and paste templates that already work. No fluff, no guesswork, just a rinse and repeat system that delivers even if you've failed before. This is your chance to stop trying and finally start stacking commissions. If you can follow steps, you can start making money this week, and it all starts right here. So what's the price? Imagine spending $997 on some high-ticket course or burning $50 per day on ads that barely bring results. Or worse, spending hours editing videos, hiring overpriced freelancers, and still getting 0 views. Now, imagine creating viral, faceless shorts in minutes with AI that generate traffic and sales while you sleep. No burnout, no tech stress, no camera. Tube Bonanza gives you the exact shortcut that took me years to crack for less than the price of dinner. No BS, just plug, post, and profit. I'm not some faceless guru selling $997 courses with 2-hour webinars. I've made my money, built my reputation, and helped thousands of marketers succeed. Now I want to help you win too. That's why you're getting a premium system for the price of a pizza. But fair warning, this one-time offer won't stay this low for long. The price becomes $97 after the launch ends, and once it's gone, it's gone. Still on the fence? Listen, you're fully protected by our 100% money-back guarantee. That means you can try Tube Bonanza risk-free for a full 30 days. Dive in, use the system, post some shorts, and start seeing what's possible. If you don't feel it's the easiest, smartest way to make commissions with faceless videos, just shoot us a message and you'll get every penny back. No hard feelings. But don't wait too long, because once this offer's gone or the price shoots up, you might regret missing what could have been your breakthrough moment. This is your shortcut. This is your system. Grab it now, and I'll see you inside.